back again for another video, giving you guys my little daily update on how yesterday went. Um, where I live is currently 2:47 p.m. I haven't got any sales yet. That's not a good sign for today. But yesterday I ended up getting 4 sales, which was good. Now at 514 sales, still waiting to be tiered up. Um, Hopefully this Thursday, I kind of realized that most of the time when they do tier ups, it's usually on a Thursday. Um, so hopefully this week I'll get it going. Already got a nice little head start. Got my game plan down. I'll probably be pressing my prices to 17.99 for out the gate, and then if it get when it gets to sales to 19.99. Um, Yeah, definitely pressing my prices now because I'm not setting my prices low to tier up anymore. Now I'm kind of in a good position to, make more money when I tier up. So I'm definitely going to be charging more for um, my shirts. um, so yesterday, let's see, another shirt sold that never sold yesterday, which was cool. Like I told you guys, I want to start ranking more shirts right now. So I had them, everything that hasn't been sold was at 1307. So this is another shirt that never sold that sold, which is cool. I already pressed up the price. Once it sells once and gets a BSR, I always press up my price. Um, this is just a nice little trend. These two are the same design but different product. Um, just a trend I caught. That's why it's so important for you guys to just get in a habit of just checking Google Trends, um, checking your social media, just looking around for different things that are going on in the world because that's how you get first to market, in certain niches. And, now this sells, pretty regularly now. Um, so yeah, and then this other shirt that sold is one I always talk about. It's very simple. It has one word on it. It's a evergreen. It's on the first page and just always sells for me. I got a lower price for this because there's a bunch of other shirts that look like it now because a bunch of they see what shirt's selling and they want to make one like yours. So I just kind of keep this one low just so it keeps selling. Because anytime I press the price up for this stops selling. And this is my most consistent shirt. I probably sold about 100 of these. So um, I just keep it like that. My average royalty was 219. It would have been a lot higher if this one wasn't at 1307. But it's cool. Like I said, I'm trying to get more stuff ranking um, before I go into tier 1000. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep doing these daily updates for you guys. I see that most of my views are usually the videos when I show my income reports and when I show my progress. It's probably because everybody wants to compare of their data with mine and see where if they're doing better than me, doing worse, what So I'm gonna continue to do these daily updates for you guys. All I ask is just, subscribe, um, give me feedback or any other videos that you guys want me to make. Um, I got a few videos coming up for you guys that I gotta finish with some great resources and some great tips for you guys. So I'm definitely dedicated to the channel. Just keep giving me feedback and giving me ideas, and I'll make sure that I'm always responsive to you guys and make sure you guys get um, massive value out of this channel. But yeah, you guys have a blessed day. That's all I got for this video. Just like I said, just subscribe, like, comment, give me feedback.